Congratulations on your new vehicle. Before you head out, we just want to say this properly.
Hi, and welcome to the Highland GM family.
Really, congrats. And just so you know, if you ever have any questions after today, call us.
You're part of the family now, which means we'll help you get the right fit, whether it's accessories, seasonal upgrades, or the little things that make it yours.
And when it's time for maintenance, we'll make it easy and comfortable every visit.
From the first day to years down the road, this is your home base.
At Highland GM, you didn't just purchase a vehicle, you've joined a community that's been here for a long time, and we're here for the long run for you.
When it's time for your first service, here's a simple version. Book ahead, pull in, and we'll take it from there. We'll keep you informed, respect your time, and make sure you leave feeling confident.
If you ever walk in and you're not sure where to go, no stress. Just say your name and what you need, we'll take care of the rest.
Want to personalize your vehicle? We'll help you do it properly. Products that fit, look right, and work the way they're supposed to. Tell us what you want to do with your vehicle, and we'll recommend what makes sense.
If you're ever in an accident, we're here for you. Just call us. You have the right to choose where your vehicle is repaired. And as part of our family, we've got your back.
And if anything about your paperwork, protection, or coverage ever feels confusing, call us. We'll explain it clearly and we'll help you feel 100% good about what you have.
Thank you for choosing us here at Highland GM. We look forward to delivering an exceptional experience at every visit.
So whether you're here for a question, a check-in, or just passing by,
Our doors are always open.
welcome to the Highland GM family.
Welcome to the Highland GM family.
Welcome to the Highland GM family.